Kidnap Mr. Santa Claus? I want to do it. Let's draw straws. Jack said we should work together. Three of a kind. Birds of a feather. Now and forever. La 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 la. La 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 la. Kidnap the Santa Claus, lock him up and tight. Throw away the key and then turn off all the lights. First we're going to set some bait inside a nasty trap and wait. When he comes sniffing, we will snap the trap and close the gate. Wait, I've got a better plan to catch this big red lobster man. Let's pop him in a boiling pot, and when he's done, we'll butter him up. Kidnap the Santa Claus, throw him in a box. Bury him for 90 years, then see if he talks. The Mr. Oogie Boogie Man can take the whole thing over then. Hear me, so please, I do declare. I say that we take a cannon, aim it at his door, and then knock 3 times, and when he answers, Santa Claus will be no more. You're so stupid, think now if we blow him up to smithereens, we may lose some pieces, and then Jack will be just black and green. Kidnap the Santa Claus, tie him in a bag, throw him in the ocean, and see if he is sad. Because Mr. Oogie Boogie is the meanest guy around. If I were on his boogie list, I'd get out of town. They'll be so pleased by our success that he'll reward us too, I'll bet. Perhaps he'll make his special brew. Steak and spider stew. We're his henchmen and we take our job with pride. We do our best to please him and stay on his good side. I wish my cohorts weren't so dumb. I'm not the dumb one, you're no fun. Shut up, make me. I've got something, listen now. This one is real good, you'll see. We'll send a present to his door, upon there'll be a note to read. Now in the box there wait and hide until his curiosity entices him to look inside, and then we'll have him 1, 2, 3. Kidnap the Santa Claus, beat him with a stick. Lock him up for 90 years, see what makes him tick. Kidnap the Santa Claus, chop him into bits. Mr. Oogie Boogie is sure to get his kicks. Kidnap the Santa Claus, see what we will see. Lock him in the cage and then throw away the key. Ever since I was a girl, my own mother vowed I must find a way to power through a noble brow. I married once for love, then my senses came. I must marry for the stature of my husband's name. On to marriage number 2, I knew what I had to do. My poor husband fell ill in a year or 2. Solved problem number 1, now to problem number 2. His doe-eyed little girl with a gentle point of view. Would I ship her off to school? No, I told her if she stayed, then she'd have to earn a she was talking to the mic. She was hopelessly naive, so she had to pay the price. I moved her to the attic, out of sight and out of mind. I could have thrown her out, but I'm benevolent and kind. Mother, your heart's too big for you. I knew what I had to do. After all, difficult children will take advantage of your good nature. So you lock them up, throw away the key. There's one on every family tree. I'm grateful for love, I'll tell the things she put you through. Break their spirit so they obey. Now they'll do anything you say. Maybe you call it cruel, but others would call it love, tough love. I ask you, is it a crime to strive for perfection in all things? Oh no, they're so cute when they're little, but then they grow up and just ruin everything. I never wanted children, life was better on my own. All the screaming, nagging chilled me to the bone. But then one day I came across a flower grown free. Its magic kept me young, so I kept it all for me. But someone dug it up, now a baby held the power. So I borrowed her and locked her up and hid her in a tower. Years went by, all the sacrifice, and against my better judgment I fed her once or twice. Teenagers now, I know I'm wild with their young, but that's messy. Manipulation's easily more fun. A little guilt, a lot of force, of course you have to lie. Remind them that without you they shrivel up and die. They only had themselves to blame. If you'd been there, you'd do the same. So work them hard till they fall in line. There's one way and it's only mine. Children are lazy, spoiled too, but we know what to do. Govern them with a heart of stone. Lock them up so they're all alone. Maybe you call it cruel, but others would call it love, tough love. Oh, her own tower with a water view, and she runs away the first chance she gets. These wretched brats think the world owes them something, but it doesn't. Far and wide I rule the kingdom with a heavy hand, but there was more I had in mind, a greater plan. I never cared to share, so the king would have to fall, but his child blocked the to me and fairest of them all. She was chubby, she was dumb, and grotesquely optimistic. She needed structure in her life, she wasn't realistic. I gave her chores and took away the things that she'd enjoy, but then I caught her singing songs with birds and I'm bored. Love? Was I to just sit by and wait for her to take my crown? No, she had sealed her fate. She had to go, and so she did, and you know what they say. An apple once a day keeps your enemies away. Don't be fooled by their tender smile. Give an inch and they'll run a mile. Our idea of a happy home is one where we live all alone. Dark, depressing, desolate. Now let's all drink to that. Call us wicked, call us mean, cruel and everything in between. You can say it's sunshine, turning their dreams to dust. This is what we call love.
Beata Maria, you know I am a righteous man, and of my virtue I am justly proud. Beata Maria, you know I'm so much purer than the common, vulgar, weakless, and just crowd. Then tell me, Maria, I see her dancing there. Why her smoldering eyes still scorch my soul. Feel her, I see her. The sun cannon arriving, hair is blazing in me out of all control. Like fire, hellfire, this fire in my skin, this burning desire is turning me to sin. It's not my fault, I'm not to blame. It is the gypsy girl, the witch who set this flame. It's not my fault if in God's plan He made the devil so much stronger than a man. Protect me, Maria, don't let this siren cast her spell. Don't let her fire see my flesh and bones. Destroy Esmeralda and let her taste the fires of hell, or else let her be mine and mine alone.
Mistress Rollo, the gypsy has escaped. What? She's nowhere in the cathedral. She's gone. How? Never mind. Get out, you idiot. I'll find her. I'll find her. I have to burn down all of Paris.
Hellfire, dark fire. Now, gypsy, it's your turn. Choose me or your pyre. Be mine or you will die. God have mercy on her. God have mercy on me. But you will be mine or